Everyone, welcome again to this channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Without wasting much time, let's dive straight into the use case, which is replace the header menu title with icon in the ESC portal. We also going to solve some error which is generally occur due to the cross scope access when we try to edit some out of the box widget. So first let's understand the requirement in brief. So let me open configuration, portal configuration. Okay, so we are going to see on ESC portal. Let's first open this EC theme. And then we are going to open this one, header, employee center header. It's taking some time. Let's wait for a minute. Okay, and we are moving. Okay, so fine. This is a visit which is out of the box present in the ServiceNow instance. Okay, either you can clone this widget or you can edit this widget if you are in the correct scope. Okay, now according to our requirement we have to um, replace. Okay, let me move. Let's first move to the ESC portal. If we try to open this portal, we are having lots of error here. We will see this error in this session also, but let me explain why this error occurs. So the reason behind this error is if we try to edit anything here in this widget, then it will give the error which we are seeing right now on our ESC portal. Okay, so let me remove this one and let's first solve this error. So okay, so let's see first error in detail. See here, execute operation on a script include to do page util. This is the script include name because of which this error is coming. Okay, from scope employee center was denied. The application employee center must declare a cross scope access privilege. Please contact the application admin to update their access request. So this is the main error. Okay, and it is happened because we need to create the cross scope, this one, cross scope access privilege to access for employee center core to employee center. Okay, basically what here happened, there is one script include written, and if we are trying to access this from employee center core, and this employee center is written, sorry, this widget is written in the employee center application, so it will give us the error. So to solve this error, we need either the access or we have to declare the cross scope access privilege. So we are going to see the simple thing, that is giving access to this this request. Okay, so let's move to the navigation page. Okay, then we will open here. If you will try to find restricted, okay, yeah, so application restricted caller access, just open this one. Now in the target, what what was the script include name? To do page utils. Okay, so that you can search in the target by star mark. Target scope, I think no, just a minute. Target scope is this one. Okay, had to do page, but it's not coming with this one. Okay, it's not searched like this. Okay, we have this in a script include to do page util. Okay, so let's show matching, and then this is employee center code. So what happened, this one, our portal configuration is in employee center core application, and our widget is in employee center, so it's giving the error. Now we have allowed this one allowed, which one is either requested state or it is in invalidated state. We have to make the changes here. So first we need to check whether we are in the correct application scope or not. So we are in employee center scope, we need to make it employee center core. Okay, so right now we are in employee center core application. So let's just edit this status, just select allowed. Okay, then for this one also allowed, allowed. Okay, now let's move back to our ESE portal and refresh this page. Oh wow, see, the error has been gone now. Okay, so I hope you guys understand what was the error and how we are going to solve. I mean, we have solved it. Okay, so this is a small thing which is very mandatory while editing the widget in the EAC portal. Okay, so now coming back to our requirement. Okay, so let's first move to the EAC portal. Now you are seeing my favorite icon is here. By my favorite, let me check with my task, and my request is not visible. Let me see. My task is here and it is not visible there. Okay, so I have removed from there. Let me open the portal configuration first. Okay, now here we have main menu, that is employee center menu. I have made disable from there, so let me open this page. Okay, this is an employee center core, so let's move to the employee center core application. Employee center application scope, switch to employee center, refresh this page. Okay, so enable wishlist. See, the enable request, we made it false. True. True. And this is not required. Actually, I made for um, the below. In the related list we have more, right? So for more, here you can see the example. This is the more enable, and display value has true, and sys id is given of this more item. Like if you will open this item, and then if you will copy the sys id, so this is the same sys id. Okay, so we are just enabling the request, my task. So let's make it true. This is JSON format. Okay, we are passing the values. Okay, so save this form. Now let's move back to the EAC portal and refresh this page. Again giving lots of error. And this is mobile view. Why? Okay, okay, let's see whether we have some request here or not. No request is here. It means that is fine. Insert comma in the object. Okay, I think we missed some JSON format syntax. Okay, let's move back to our this page. Okay, okay. So we are in the correct format. Then why it's giving error? Enable card false. True. Okay. We have here extra comma. That's why. Let's save this form and check. Oh, fine. That comma is giving so much error. Okay, so guys, you understand the next again one more error in the JSON format. Actually we have to okay, we don't have any error. We can see on our EAC portal page. See, so in JSON format, let me explain you here what actually we are going to do here. This is the enable card thing. Okay, and the value for this one we have declared in this parenthesis, and this one display value, whatever you are going to write, like display value is false, then you have to make it put one comma, and then values is false. So I mean, if you are going to again put any values, suppose this id or anything, then you have to put comma, otherwise no. Okay, and then once you have close this parenthesis. So you have to give one comma if you are going to declare any more variables. Okay, sorry, the item, yeah. So auto update cart is here, and then the comma we have made. Okay, and if you will put any extra comma, then it will surely definitely give you the error which we have seen just now. Okay, so coming back to the requirement, let's move again to ASC portal. Now we have my task, my request, my favorite, and according to our requirement we have to replace my task with the cart icon, cart. Okay, and then my request with, okay, so sorry, my task with pencil icon. You can replace whatever you want. If you want with card, you can do that. If you want with star, you can do that. I mean, I will show you a lot of icon available in the font awesome, and you can try any one of them. Okay, and according to our request, we are going to replace task with pencil icon, request with card icon, and favorite with star icon. So let me open font awesome. Okay, so, so this is, um, I will ping you the URL for this font awesome Google page. Okay, in the description you can find from there. And on this page, if you will try, okay, so my according to my requirement, my task should be replaced with pencil icon. Let me search with pencil. Okay, if you will type here pencil, so here all the icons with pencil you will be able to see here. Okay, so let me see which will be good. Okay, let me put the simple one, pencil. Okay, so this icon I'm going to apply, and you have to just copy here, click on it, this link, and the code has been copied. Now move back to our widget, and let's see whether we are in the correct scope or not. Yeah, we are in the correct scope. So type here Control F and then search my task. So one is for mobile view, this is for mobile view, and another is for desktop view. So we have to edit for both because we want the same icon will be appear in the any views. Okay, so here you are able to say this ng bind html. So basically this one is for binding html with angular, and whatever you are typing here, and I mean this will be available as a label, means my task. If you will type here a different thing, my task, my, I mean whatever you want the title kind of thing, so you can change this one. Okay, so we don't want, I mean we have to replace my task with icon, and icon have a different tag, so let's just replace it with I icon. Theme thing, we are not going to declare any css thing, so let's just far pencil. Okay, and one more thing you can put here, area, ng bind, I mean whatever this class was there. So let's just copy from here and put over here. So this is area hidden is equal to true. This is the simple code, and let's just save, or first let's try with this only. Okay, now let's save this page. Okay, so this widget has been saved now, and we must have, let's just see whether we have any restricted color access. So yeah, as we have edited, even if you have a single letter you have changed in the widget, now you have this executed API operation that is invalidated or requested. We are in different scope, so we need to change. Okay, let's first refresh this page. Implicit enter code as it is a target scope, and then we can edit this status to allow. Okay, now let's move back to our EAC portal and refresh this page. No change. Why? NJ is still showing. I think it's not updated or what. Oh, sorry. We did only in the mobile view, not in this one. What's called? Not in desktop view. Okay, my bad. See, this is mobile view, and you can see here the pencil is updated. So let's move back again, and we have to change few, only one thing in our widget. Again, search my task, and the same line of code we have to copy and paste in the desktop view, and that is this one. Let's do the other changes as well. As we have seen that it's working fine for mobile view, and we have to change. Okay, so move back to the Google font, and here we are searching for star icon. Okay, let's give this one. Click copied, move back to this page, and the same line of code you have to give here. Again, the ngbind html you have to replace with this regular, we don't require actually, fast star, and then you have to give area hidden, that is true. Okay, this is for my request, but my request now we want this one for my favorite. So my favorite has this one. Let's just replace with this one. Okay, and instead of star we have to give for my request was cart, I think. Let's just search for cart here. Okay, for cart. Okay, copied. Let's move back to our this page, and at the place of my request we have to for cart. Okay, only these things I have to mention here. Okay, so this has happened. Now let's just remove the this code. Okay, it's fine. And the same thing we have to do for mobile view. So let's change. Where is mobile view? Okay, we changed in mobile view. Now for the desktop view we have to change, and this is our desktop view. For my request we have replaced with shopping cart, and then for my favorite we are replacing with the star icon. Copied, and then just replace this line of code with this one. Now we are all set. Let's just save this form. Then again we have some error because of the restricted color access. So let's first move back here. Why? No, here it is. Oh, we were in the wrong scope. That's why we have not able to save that form. Again we have to make some changes. Let's first change the scope to employee center. Okay, refresh this page. Sorry guys, my bad. Okay, my task. My favorite with star icon. Okay, and my request with the shopping cart one. Here was that value. Copied. Okay, we just need this one, far cart shopping class name, and just replace far star with shopping cart. Remove this extra code. Yeah, okay, so far cart shopping for request, far star for okay, and then we have to write same things for desktop view. So in the desktop view we need to change this line of code. Okay, and for star one, for my favorite, just copy it and paste here. Okay, so we are good, we are in the correct scope, we have changed on both view. Let's just save this form, and this time we must have restricted color access. So let's move back to restricted color access privilege page. Now refresh this page. Yeah, see, this is invalidated, and now we have to change employee center core, that is a target scope. Let's make it allowed and move back to ESE portal. Refresh this page. Star is fine, my task, but why my task and shopping cart is not available? What happened? Pencil icon is not visible. Okay, we need to check it. Okay, let's move back to our widget. Control F. Task. Pencil icon. I think we have not replaced this one in the desktop view. Yeah, that's why visible. Okay. Far card shopping, and this should be visible. Let's save. Okay, again we are in different scope, so let's first say change the scope. Then save this form. Okay, again we have some. Okay, invalidate. Let's just change the scope. Okay, now move back to our ESC portal. Yeah, pencil icon is visible for I think my request, but my task. Okay, my task is visible, but request is not visible. Why? Um, so let's move back here. My request. It should be visible, but I don't know why it is not visible. Let's just change the shopping card instead of shopping card. Different value we are selecting. Okay. Which one we can try? It should be actually visible because it is also used in this one SP portal. Let me check the SP portal card values. I request my system. Card, where we can see my catalog, my request. I think in catalog or somewhere we have seen the my request. Here also no card is there. Okay, let's leave it. We will put some another icon. Okay, let's just put badge kind of icon. Copied. Moving back to our code. Badge. Okay. We are, I think, in different scope. So first let's change the employee center and then just save this page. Again, I think we made this change to only mobile. So let me do a quick changes. My request the same thing. Okay, so we have here restricted caller access privilege. Here you can see these icons. These icons are categorized as pro and non-pro. So if you are using any pro icon, then you will not able to see that icon because that is only available if you are a you have subscribed this font awesome. Then only you will be able to see that. Else no. So we are just going to use this card, which is not a pro, and we have copied this one, and I have actually okay. So okay, so I have changed already. Let me show you this. I have copied far cart shopping. So far cart Aerodon. Okay. So let me put far cart shopping, which is far cart. Okay. Okay. Now we want the same for desktop view. So let's move here and just paste here. Let me check whether we are in the correct scope or not. So we are not in the correct scope. Let me move to the employee center and then I have now we can save this form. Okay, so we have saved this form. Again, we have some restricted caller access privilege. So yes, we have. So let's move to employee center core 1 and then make invalidated status to allowed. Save this and then let's move back to our ESC portal. This is not visible. Art shopping. I think that is also not available. This is not our fault. This is the fault of that font awesome. Let's try the another one. Mm, that is this one, cart arrow down one. Okay, this is available somewhat in the middle of cart one. This is, and just copy this one, then moving back to select our scope, the employee center scope, where we are going to change the widget. Now, okay, so we have copied. Now we want far cart arrow down one. Okay, so this is fine. Now the same thing we want in the desktop view. Now save this form. Again, we must have some restricted color. Okay, so let's move back to the employee center core application scope and then make the changes. Okay, so now we made the changes here and everything is allowed. Let's move back to our EAC portal and refresh this page. So yeah, the same icon is visible now. So now we have completed our use case and I hope you guys understand it well. I will share all the requirement detail and the code as well as the link of Font Awesome page as well as the other error related details in the description. You can check there. So guys, now it's time to take a break from this video. We will meet soon with the new requirement. Till then, just bye bye, take care, have a good day.